Benvenuti a Vito Esposito Salon. I am Vito Esposito. I am a three-generation master hairstylist. I grew up in the beautiful and sunny Bay Area of Napoli, Italia, overlooking the islands of Capri. Last year, I came together with my good friends, architecture design Massimo Pizzoleo of Gigi and Massimo. Over an espresso, we began to envision how we could not only elevate the salon to be more efficient, but bringing in a little bit of Italian for a more luxurious and glamorous experience. Speaking of glamour, our salon is located in the heart of Beverly Hills, California, the home of the rich and famous. Let me show you around. Andiamo. So this is our front desk area where we welcome every client, and also we have a retractable table for make sure we are ADA compliant. Once we check in the client, we bring them to the waiting area to relax, enjoy a nice espresso, cappuccino, and for some busy day, we have a pull-out stool for overflow. So this is our coffee bar area. This area is very important for me. This is where reminds me growing up in my dad's salon in Napoli, where we offering every guest our coffee, espresso, cappuccino. Over here, next to the coffee bar, we create a high-top table with two stools for doing a consultation with a regular customer or future. So let's talk about our lighting. Over here on top, our desk area and coffee bar, I just didn't want any regular chandelier. So we came up with this design of three tube coming from the ceiling, 8 foot down with LED light. Then over here on top, our station area, we came up with this framing light with the 4000K LEDs to create the best natural light for perfect color tone. We have a little bit over 1,000 square feet salon with 12 stations and 4 shampoo bowls. Let me show you one of our stations. So we came up with this frame mirror with a counter that's deep enough to place espresso, coffee, or champagne. We have a little hook for handbag. So we designed with LED light underneath here for maximal visibility inside the drawer. Also light underneath the cabinet to illuminate on the floor, and we tied it in with LED inside the mirror and the back of the mirror. Also, I want to show you this very important cabinet where we storage our blow dry, flat iron, curly iron. Also showcase this little detail, VI for Vito. Also, we want something clean and neat on top of the cabinet. We came out with this box shelf with product display and user. To create a more intimate space, we placed this divider to separate our station area to our color bar, shampoo area. To accommodate a small area, we custom designed a back bar to fit all shampoo and hair treatment. On the counter, we grew this hole to accommodate more shampoo. We also had 3 holes, one for dirty towel, one for trash, and one for easy access clean towel. We also designed this very tall cabinet for extra storage. For our VIP and private client, we have 2 more stations and a shampoo bowl upstairs. To complement our high ceiling, we extend our retail shelf to showcase our private label, products, and color bar, complete with LED light for easy shopping. Thank you for coming, grazie mille.